Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set smart lock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy, and here select more security and privacy, and here select extend unlock and try your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. Now here you can extend unlock by on body detection, trusted places and trusted devices. Okay, this is called smart lock. Okay, keep this device unlocked while it's on you at specific places that you trust or near your trusted devices. Okay, first one is on body detection. Click on body detection and just to turn on this button, click on continue. So whenever you have in your phone in your hand or in your pocket or wherever on your body, you don't need to enter your screen lock pattern to unlock your phone. It will stay unlocked until you leave it. Okay, so here I am locking my phone and see here, yes, it is unlocked by smart lock. Okay, because I am holding this phone. Okay, so this is first smart lock, that is first extend unlock. Again there are other two smart unlock. For that, again go to the same settings, security and privacy, and click on more security and privacy, and here select extend unlock and try your current pattern for authentication. Now click on trusted places, and here you can add some places where if your device is available, your device will not ask you to enter your pattern to unlock. Your device will stay unlocked at the specific trusted places that you add here. Okay, so here I would like to add this location. Okay, and click on add, then select any other location. Okay, so here I have selected this location. So at this location my phone will not ask me to enter pattern to unlock. Okay, so then trusted devices, here if you have any smartwatch or any Bluetooth enabled device, you can pair with your phone, and then if that device if those devices will be available with your phone, then your phone will not ask you to enter your pattern to unlock. Okay, see here, so here click on pair device, and yes, here two devices are available, just pair it. Okay, and then after pairing, if those devices nearby you, it will not ask you to enter your pattern to unlock. Okay, so in this way you can easily set smart unlock in your phone, that is called extend unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.